Hello, we're with ShowerSafe. I'm Wyatt.
I'm Julie.
And this semester we worked on a fall detecting shower mat.
We came up with our opportunity statement using the hierarchy of purpose, and through user interviews, we decided to focus on the privacy um, while still ensuring the hygienic and basic needs of elderly and disabled individuals. The current market is saturated with the signs dealing with prevention of falls, so we wanted to focus on the aftermath of those falls.
So what is ShowerSafe? It's a fall detecting shower mat. We utilize 4 sensors on the mat and connect it to smartphones and watches. And through this, we were able to create a monitoring system for the elderly when showering. The goal of this is to alleviate the need for caretakers to be present in the room while they are dealing with this intimate task. We will calculate a force threshold based on the user's mass, which they will put in the app during setup. And when the force above the threshold, such as a fall, is detected, the app would notify caretakers and possibly 911 as well.
So as a part of testing, we guided 9 users to do certain tasks, and we gathered the feedback. And this is what we found. We found that they liked the buttons, they liked how easy the app was to use, and how simple it was to use. What they didn't like, however, was how not personal it was, the lack of language options, and a voice assistant such as Siri. The sus score, however, showed that our sus score, however, was very excellent, and which is great because it shows how far we've come since our first rendition of the app.
We relied on the prototyping canvas, Wizard of Oz, and paper prototyping to test the functionality of our app. And now with our newest testing feedback, we added the Spanish language option, save changes buttons, and the voice assistant.
We felt pretty confident about where our app was just due to the sus score that we got. So we went ahead and wanted to do a little bit more on the app, the mat itself. We decided to do a functional block diagram. This is something that's used widely within the engineering community, and it basically breaks down what the coding architecture would look like in the mat itself. So that's going to be on the right. And then on the left, we went ahead and used 3D modeling software to get more of an idea of the size of the mat. We decided to go for 18 inches by 28 inches. That fits in pretty standard tub sizes. We wanted to have texture on the top to prevent falls. And then on the bottom, we would also have a suction cups as well to keep to stay on the bottom of the bath. We wanted to basically make it look like a very simple vinyl mat that you would see anywhere. But then on the inside, we're going to have these 4 sensors, possibly 4 of them, just to make sure they're even throughout the mat. And then they would all connect from wires to a component box on the bottom. Obviously, this is something we're still looking at for other solutions as well.
So now try it yourself. So you could either use your camera on your phone or use the link that Erica has put into chat. But this is a recording, so I would suggest using your camera.
Perfect. We are hoping to continually improve our product using all the design innovation techniques that we've learned in this course. We want to do this so we can fulfill our goal of helping the elderly and disabled maintain their independence while still being able to maintain their safety as well. We would love to take any questions that you have in the chat. And yeah, we hope to hear from you. Thank you so much for listening to our presentation.